Is the Network Plus worth it? I'm Caleb, I'm a network engineer, and let's talk networks. Hey everyone, I recently made a video about my IT career journey, how I went from building computers at 14 years old to managing a mid-sized enterprise university network. In that video, I mentioned getting the Network Plus certification post-college, and a lot of you might be wondering, was it worth it? Did it help me land my current role? Would I do it again? To be honest, yes, but also no. The Network Plus gave me solid networking foundation. Networking concepts, protocols, topologies, the whole thing. But what it didn't do was prepare me for hands-on configuring. If I could go back, I would probably pursue the CCNA instead, but that's not to say the Network Plus isn't worth it. Even though we don't use Cisco, the CCNA still teaches practical, hands-on routing and switching. That would have been super useful to have day one of this job. In my first or second week on the job, I was tasked to configure a switch. Now, I knew what a switch was, the stuff that plugs into it, SFP, fiber, copper, but I didn't really know how to configure one. The Network Plus didn't teach you that. Oh, and to make things even more interesting, we use Extreme Networks, which I had never even heard of. Suddenly, I was managing 250 switches and I didn't even know the network vendor. However, at the end of the day, the Network Plus certainly changed my life. That cert helped me land this job, which gave me a 50% salary increase. But here's the real takeaway. Don't overthink job descriptions. They can look intimidating, listing years of experience you don't have. But I got my shot because of a connection, landed the interview, nailed the interview, and they needed to hire fast. The rest, I learned on the job. So if you're studying for the Network Plus, keep going. It may not be perfect, but it can still open doors for you. And if you're wondering if you're ready for that next job, you're in help desk right now, but you want to promote, apply anyways. You might surprise yourself. Like and follow for more IT career help.